Oh, hi there. How are you? I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and welcome to our YouTube channel. As you just saw here, I'm using the Nitro Cold Brew coffee maker that we just got from Growler Werks, and enjoying this fine cup of Nitro Cold Brew coffee. It's absolutely delicious. So we're going to go over this brewer here and how to clean it, some best use tips as well, and enjoying cold brew or Nitro Cold Brew at home because it's absolutely delicious. Let's get started. For a stronger cold brew, it's actually good to use more coffee than the 60 grams in each of the filter bags. This will actually make the cold brew stronger while it's in the refrigerator between 12 and 24 hours. Also, for a stronger coffee is actually brewing in your refrigerator for the actual maximum of 24 hours. And then as well, when you're filling the water after removing the filters and you're filling the water, you can actually put less water in there. We don't recommend it, but you can put less water so there's less dilution to make the coffee stronger in the cup. For a more nitro infused cold brew, you can actually put ice cubes inside after you remove the filter bags. That would help in better infusion to make a stronger nitro portion of the cold brew, as well as when you're storing or not pouring, move the dial to the infuse while you're not using it, so you have more nitro gas that enters into the cold brew, and that would make more of the nitro coffee for you. For cleaning, you will turn the dial on the top all the way to the off position, so that would be counterclockwise from either infusion or pour, all the way counterclockwise until the black dot is in the O position, which is off. To get any nitro cold brew out, let's remove the remaining gas. So we want to make sure there's no more gas that is in the container. Put the pouring knob into the back closed position. Again, make sure that the black dot on top is in the off position, and remove the top cap and cover. And basically you will rinse this portion here under warm water, less than 120 degrees. It's really important not to use hot water that's over 120 degrees. The Ukeg can be rinsed also with warm water and repeat it 2 or 3 times to clean it. As we mentioned in another video, no abrasives on the outside for cleaning. Just usually a good nice cleaning with warm water on the inside and rinsing is really good. After rinsing the Ukeg, it's a good idea to fill it about 2/3 of the way. Insert the cap back in fairly tight. Turn back the gas to on, the nitro gas, to infuse, to refill the tank. And after it fills and the pressure goes up, we'll go back to pour. And this part is to actually clean the front pouring mechanism here. So basically we want to reuse the remaining gas in the cartridge to start flushing the rest out until we have clear water coming through. Once all the water has dispensed, you can vent the remainder of the cartridge to pour. Now the manufacturer says you could do this outside with the cap or cover off the Ukeg, but for safety reasons we believe it's better to go this route, and just there's no remaining water or coffee inside, and just allow all the gas to exit the cartridge through the Ukeg. We believe it's much safer to do this in this fashion. Once all the gas has come out, this nozzle can actually be removed for a more thorough cleaning, as you may get some coffee buildup inside the nozzle right here. So that is removable. Not that we recommend it. The valve also comes apart as well for cleaning. Once all the gas has been released, and this can get quite cold, you can remove the cartridge. There we go. Ooh, that's cold. Don't touch. And just inspect the O-rings here periodically here, and make sure that the O-ring is installed and free of any damage. And just inspect this retaining tab, that it's fully pushed out and seated properly. There's a little retaining tab right in there, and the gasket's right here. We hope you enjoyed our best use tips, as well as cleaning the Growler Werks Nitro Cold Coffee Maker or Cold Coffee Brewer. Give us a thumbs up if you can down below. Any comments or questions down below. We hope you enjoyed our video and you do purchase this cold brew coffee maker on our website, firstline.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.